Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, sir.
Take your seat. Okay, class, bago tayo mag-start sa ating new lesson, anong natatandaan nyo nung nakaraan? Parang hinahin kayo mga class. Okay, mag-energizer tayo dahil nakikita ko yung tanging babayan. Ipapakita ko muna sa inyo kung paano yung energizer natin. Alam niyo ba yung saging-saging?
Hindi po.
Okay class, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano yung energizer natin. Ganito ang step ng ating energizer. Saging, saging, mangga, mangga, papaya, papaya, pagkalu-haluin, pagkalu-haluin, fruit salad, fruit salad. Class, stand up. Mag-energize tayo. Okay, first step. Saging, saging, mangga, mangga, papaya, papaya, paghalu-haluin,
Paghalu-haluin. Fruit salad.
fruit salad. Okay, isa pa, parang walang kagana-gana kayo. Mabilis ng konti. Game. Wow, ready, sing. Mangga. Okay, guys. Another. Take two. Take two. Okay. Saging, saging. Tigo. Saging, saging, sangga, mangga, papaya,
Papaya.
paghalu-haluin, paghalu-haluin, fruit salad, fruit salad. Okay, take your seat. Today we will practice solving linear equation by using one variable. For example, x plus 5 equals to 10. Okay, class, ano sunod na step? We transpose x. Lipat natin yung 5 sa right. Magiging yung sign, magiging negative. So, x equals to 10 minus 5. So, the final answer is x is equals to 5. Okay, let's proceed to another example. Magbigay kayo ng ating given. Okay? Model?
Sir, 3x plus
3x plus 2
2 is equal to 8.
plus 2. Okay. Ganun pa rin step. 3x, then yung 2 transpose natin sa kabila. 8, magiging yung sign, magiging
Negative.
negative. So, 3x is equals to 8 minus 2 is 6. Then, we divide both 3x tapos 3. Then, x equals to
2.
okay. The final answer is x is equals to. Okay class, gets nyo na ba yung example natin?
Yes, sir!
Pwede na ako magbigay ng activity.
Opo!
Sige. Class, magbibigay ako ng given. Then, sagutan nyo diyan sa inyong scratch paper. The first given is x plus 4 is equals to 9. Then number 2 is 2x plus 2x equal to 14. Then number 3 x okay. Bibigyan ko kayo ng 4 minutes para mag-solve kayo ng inyong individual. Coefficient, keep going. Tapos na ba lahat?
Yes
Yes,
po.
sir.
Okay. Dahil dyan, tapos na lahat. Pili kayo ng inyong pair na pwede inyong partner diyan sa sagot nyo.
May dala na lang siya. Kaya na
Sige.
lang. Kaya na lang.
Okay, meron na ba?
Opo, sir.
Sinong partner niya ng basis?
Si Mercado po.
Then, the rest?
Sir kami po.
Okay. For your answer in your partner, then explain on how to solve your answer to each other.
Sa number 1, ang ginawa ko, katulad ng sinabi ni Sir, yung 4, tinanspose dito, tapos magiging x is equal to 9 minus 4, then 9 minus 4 is 5, kaya x is equal to 5.
Sa number 2 naman, ang ginawa ko, ang given ay 2x equals 14. Dinimate ko siya both side from 2. So, x is equal to 7.
Sa number 3 naman, x minus 3 is equal to 9 ang binigay niya sa equation. At katulad doon sa number 1, yung minus 3, tinanspose sa kabila, kaya yung sign mapapalitan, magiging x is equal to 9 plus 3, then x is equal to 12.
So, tama ka sa 1 and 2, pero dito sa 3, dapat ang ginawa mo is magiging positive na yung negative minus 3. Kasi tinranspose natin siya. Kaya dapat ang sagot dito ay 12, hindi 6. Ayan.
Okay, class, tapos na ba mag-compare yung inyong sagot sa inyong pair?
Yes, sir.
Okay. By pair, sino ang sasagot dito sa number 1?
Sir, kami po naman.
Sige sila, ang group nila. Okay.
Yes, sir.
After that, explain nyo kung paano nyo nakuha. Then explain. Okay student, remember, solving equation is become mas magiging madali sa pagsusolve dito kung i-explain natin sa iba. Tulad nung kanyang ginawa natin na una, pinagsagot ko kayo ng individual, then after that, magkaroon tayo ng pair, then ang sunod doon ay nag-share tayo dito sa harap na bawat pair merong nag-explain at meron din nagsasagot sa board, nagsosolve. That's all for today. Goodbye class. Goodbye. Thank you.
Think pair share help us to understand the steps better, and also working with a partner clarified our mistakes and also made us more confident. And working with a partner help us or make us to remember the solutions and make it in a correct